I'm Sarah Slay and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this bold look here. I love me a bold eye with a bold lip. We are using the Tardiest Pro palette. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe down below if you like what you're seeing already. And without further ado, let's just jump into this tutorial. Alright you guys, so I already put my base down with the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and I also set my base with the white shade in the Tardiest Pro palette. The shade color is Classic. Now I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush, and I'm just going to take the shade No Filter, which is a light purpley-ish shade, and I'm going to put this in my crease, but also a ways above to act as my transition shade. And really the technique with this is just being patient and blending. Blending is going to be your best friend in doing this smoky eye look. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Drama, and that's more of a dark purple shade. And I'm actually going to take this and place it on the lid and try to keep it far down, and then once I'm starting to blend, I'll work my way upward into the crease. So I'm first going to pack the color on, and then I'll start to blend. Now I'm going to pick up a little more dense of a blender brush, and I'm going to pick up the color Mod, and this is kind of like a dark hot pink, or I think it's like a dark fuchsia color. And I'm just going to put this in the crease, and I want this to kind of blend the two purples together, but also give us a little hint of another color in it. And I'm also focusing it in the crease and then working it up just a little bit so that it blends smoothly. And now just to diffuse it all, I'm going to take that first color that we put as the transition shade, No Filter, and I'm just going to take a small amount and lightly brush over the top where we put our transition shade and then the crease a bit. Also going to blend in these spots that look a little harsh, like this outer corner here. But don't worry about the outer corners so much, just because we are going to clean this up, make it more sharp. So I actually ran out of makeup wipes, apparently. So I'm just going to use a baby wipe here, and I'm just going to clean up the edges and make it sharper. Now I'm going to take my NYX liquid liner, and I'm just going to do a nice pretty, oh, what is that? I'm just going to do a nice pretty wing. I'm gonna try to follow the line here that I created and make a wing like that. All right, I think this is as good as these bad boys are gonna get. So now I'm going to put a little bit of that white that I used to set my base in the beginning. I'm just going to put a little bit of that under my brow bone to just give a little more space between the color and the brow, because I went up a little high with that transition shade. All right, now I'm going to do my face makeup, and I'll be right back to move along with the eyes. So it looks like I went way too ham with the makeup wipe or the baby wipe, and it left like a line under my wing on the side, but whatever, we'll roll with it. It'll probably go away by the end of this tutorial. But now I'm going to do the lower lash line. I'm going to use a smaller dense brush, and I'm going to take that shade Mod, and I'm going to put this all over the lower lash line. And I do want the shade to come down pretty far because I do want it to be visible, because we are going to put another shade after that. And I am building up this color quite a bit because I do want it to be very pigmented. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay eye pencil, and I'm just going to use this for my lower waterline. I don't know why I said that like a question. It's not a question. I'm using this for my lower waterline. Now I'm going to take a smudger brush, and I'm going to use the darkest shade that we put on the lid, Drama, and I'm going to put this on the lower lash line as well, but I'm going to take it up a little higher so it doesn't cover Mod completely. And this is kind of going to smudge out that black liner that we put, but mostly it's just to pack in that purple shade, make it a little more intense. Now I'm going to add some mascara and curl my lashes, and the mascara that I'm using today is actually the Tardiest mascara. All right, now I'm going to go apply some false lashes. I think I'm going to use the Ardell Double Ups, and then I'll be right back with the lip shade I'm going to put on. So the sun has left us, but that is okay, or it's leaving at least. All I have left to do is the lips, and today I'm going to use Kylie Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Vixen. And for liner, I'm going to use the shade Leo, which is also a Kylie Cosmetics liner. All right, you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I love this look so much. Like I said, I love me a bold eye and a bold lip. If you haven't liked and subscribed already, go ahead and do so now if you enjoyed the video. But that's gonna be it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next tutorial. Bye!